Hey, what's up, traders? Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you get tons of value from my content, and we are running a contest every month to pick a winner for free full access to my academy, my trading group, my signal group, and a free phone call with me to figure out how I can help you in your own trading. So like, comment, and subscribe on as many videos as you can this month, and we'll pick a winner from the people that do randomly, and hopefully it'll be you, and hopefully I see you in my VIP group one day. So thanks for your support. Let's crush the markets. Peace. Hey, what's up, traders? It is April 28th, 2020, and this is our weekly, or not our weekly, our daily market update. We're gonna be looking at Forex pairs today. We had a great morning trading session, and then it became super choppy. So it's very up and down, but you know, we bagged a bunch of pips in our VIP group today. So it's a really solid day for sure. So we'll look at dollar Swiss, euro pound, and a couple other pairs. Dollar CAD for sure, because I posted this on my Instagram. I really like the setup, and so let's take a look at that, and GBPUSD. So let's take a look at the charts. And by the way, just while I get into this, while I'm doing this, if you'd like to be a part of our group, we would love to have you. We have an amazing group of traders, and if you want to learn these same strategies I'm about to go over here, just a way to look at the markets, you know, I do this every day. You'll be hard pressed to find somebody that's as active in a trading group and mentoring as I am. So that being said, if you want to get started, click the links below. Dollar Swiss, we are, you know, what looks like to be an uptrend. This is pretty, you know, raises a bit of a red flag here, these big long wicks. But nonetheless, we did bounce off this support line, the support level today. So, you know, we scored 20 pips here. And, you know, it is pretty much, I guess you would say, inevitable that we will have to cross this level of resistance before we break any higher. So this may be tough, but before that happens, you know, as long as we're held up by this trend line here, I think the risk is more to the upside. So I do like the setup. I think a run to 9,800 seems pretty probable at this point, just because we've been holding here all day long. So you know, we'll see how that pans out going into the Asian session tonight. Let's take a look at pound dollar. This is a really good trade. I've been watching this since last weekly charting 2 weeks ago, and that was, you know, when I'd drawn this box here, and we had this breakout and consolidation, and you know, it looks like we're forming a head and shoulder pattern, because you see it's shoulder, head, shoulder. We got blocked by this 61.8 here, and we have this horizontal band of resistance. So this is a good trade. I'd like to see, you know, we caught 40 pips to the downside here, and then price just kind of halted. So this is what I meant by, you know, we got some moves, but we haven't gotten any significant follow through in the markets yet. So a bit of a range, bit of a choppy market for sure. But as long as we hold below this 61.8, I think the risk is to the downside here. So you know, if we make it back up here, I'd love to short it again. So definitely something I'll be watching in the meantime. Euro pound. So when I see a trade for just something about correlations here, for like pound dollar, for instance, I always go to euro pound, because the two go really hand in hand. And if we're going to see pound weakness, typically we'll see euro strength. But of course, the euro has been pretty dead today, so that didn't really happen. But we have these two descending wedges here. I was trading this, you know, we were trading this a couple weeks ago. This wedge here's our 61.8, which we are still under, but we're still holding this trade, and we are broken out of another descending wedge. So as long as we hold above the support, I'm a real believer in these wedge patterns. And you can get a good look at it here. So as long as we're below the support and above the support and consolidating here, I think the risk seems pretty good that we make it up here to 8,800, and at the least, which we could really start to rally here and squeeze higher if we started to really break out. So definitely Euro Pound is on the radar big time for me. Let's see. And I want to take a look at dollar CAD. So we're below the 1.40. We bagged 100 pips here. We sold it. I shared this trade on this setup on my Instagram as well, like on my feed. But we have a head and shoulder pattern, shoulder, head, shoulder, false breakout here, and then a consolidation within this triangle pattern, and then we broke down. So honestly, looks like we're approaching a good area to sell, which I fallen this. I think I might send a trade out to the group, but you can see there's a nice retest here, and we're starting to move to the downside. So I will, yeah, I think I will take that trade. And you can see we can kind of post up some fanning trend lines there as well. Long term, I think 1.35 could be in the cards, especially if we start getting into a free fall and really breaking through this this support level here. So dollar CAD's one I'm going to be watching for oil to break out, and then it's going to be all she wrote for this pair, I think. So so that's what we're looking at today and going into the end of New York session. So I hope you found that helpful. Lots of good setups, but again, it's a bit of a ranging market because, well, the world's crazy right now. So, it's up and down, up and down. So you really, 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 it's so important to get your good entries there and do what you can to really be patient and let the trade come to you, wait for a breakout and a retest, or just, try to get the best entry possible, because the market is not really, there's not any super clear trends right now. So hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to be a part of our group, we'd love to have you. Click the links below to get started. It's the best trading group there is that you'll find, the best vibe, and everybody, we just want to learn how to make a buck in the market, right? And do it all together. So that being said, thanks for watching. I appreciate the support. Give us a thumbs up. I'll see you in the VIP chat room. Peace.